This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः निज अश्विन शुद्ध अष्टमी नवमी च दिनांक 24 अक्टोबर 2020 चरकसु सहस्रयोगम् शंखं चक्रं जलौकां ददमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगगनप्रौढदावाग्निलीनं प्रौढदावाग्निलीनं ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिता अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत्नं सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। राजविरेचन गुटिका तिकटु त्रिफला सूत गंध पाषाण टंकणे एतत् समन्तु जम्बालम् एतत् राजविरेचनम्. So Jaipal is the main ingredient, and this is Raja Virechana as to be the supreme purgative. So Raja is king of all Virechana Dravyas, so that is why it is called as Raja Virechana. Virechana Gutika. त्रिकटु त्रिफला मांसी कारवी कटका त्रिवृत विडंगंच समावशानी जेपाल सकलांशकम् त्रिफलाक्वाथ संपिष्टं गुडेन उष्णोदकेन वा अर्धकस्वरसेनापि पेयं सम्यक् विरेचयेत्. त्रिकटु त्रिफला मांसी कारवी कटका त्रिवृत विडंग and जयपाल equal त्रिफलाक्वाथ संपिष्टं गुडेन उष्णोदकेन वा अर्धकस्वरसेनापि. So कटुक त्रिवृत विडंग Jaipal wheat equal to of all. Triphala Kashan to be given internally with good or Ushnodaka or Ardhakaswaras. Samyak Virechaka. So I don't know whether this is available in the market. There are always problems with Virechana. Maybe if Raja Virechana is available, that we may try to use. But there are other Jaipal Kalpas that are available. But there is no certainty of any of these dravyas. That is more important. मरिचादि गुटिका मरिचंतु एक भागं सद् विभागं टङ्कणं तथा त्रिभागं पारदं चैव विद्यात् भागं चतुर्गुणम् गन्धकस्य प्रमाणं तु षड्भागं तु महौषधम् सर्वैरेतैः समं कुर्यात् जयपालास्तु च निस्तुषम् भक्षेत् संयुतमिदं शीतमम्बु ततः पिबेत् शोफगुल्मोदराष्टीलपीहान्तीम् आशुनाशयेत् अयं विरेचनकरः कुक्षिरोगविनाशनः. I don't know whether this is also available. Marichadi Gutika. Marich 1, Tankan 2, Parada 3, and Gandhaka 4, and Vishwa 6 bag, and Jepala 3 equal to all. Rakshet Sanyutamidam Shitamambu Tatapibet. So to be drunk with cold water as such. So this is again a typical thing using Anupana as Shita Jala. शोफगुल्म उदर अष्ठीला प्लीहादीन आशुनाशे अयम विरेचनकरः कुक्षिरोग विनाशनः. So it is विरेचनकर and कुक्षिरोग विनाशन. There is no mention of Ardhaka Swarasa founded with Ardhaka Swarasa. They have said the country can found with Ardhaka Swarasa and animals internally with Sheetalodaka, cold water. So this is a bit strange. Shotha Gulma Udara Ashtila. So specific Viyoga for Ashtila, that is generally Jaipal Kalpa given with Shita Jala, but Virechana Gutika with Ushna Jala. Okay. Mahaushadha is Shunti, really speaking, and they have added Shunti already. There is no mention of Ardhaka Swarasa Bhavana in the part, original part. Antrakuthara Rasa. Jatilinga Bhaya Hingu Sintutham Tankanam Vacha. Yavaksharam Kuberakshi Bijam Chalashunam Samam. Samshuddha Sagare Randa Bijam Sarvam Samaushakam. Nirgundi Swarase Samyak Mardayitva Chakare. Gunja Pramanang Gutika. Gude Noshno Dakenva. Ardhaka Swarase Nati Dadyat Etak Vishakvaraha. Antrabruddhe Udavarте Sarva Shulamayeshu च विबन्धार्षस्सु गुल्मेषु सर्वशोफोदरेषु च विशेषाद अंतरशूले च नाम्नाचान्त्रकुठारकम्. So do you know somebody that Antrakutaraka rasa is available? Jatilinga Hingu Abhaya Hingula, sorry. Jatilinga is Hingula and Hingu. Sindhutta Sandhavlavana Tankana Vacha Yavakshara Kuberaksha Bija Lashuna one party. Jaipal Bija Jaipal Bija equal to all above. Gunsa and then drug to be taken in specified quantity and fountain derivative Swarasa and when internally with Guda or Ushnodaka or Ardhaka Swarasa. Available आहे Valia and Cheria. Valia and Cheria. So Antrakutaraka rasa. Antravriddhi Udavarta Sarva Shula. So this might be used. Vibandha Arshas Gulma Shofa and Udara. Antrashula Nashaka and Spasmodic. Antrakutaraka. So let us try to get this. That will be better. Shirastoda Gutika. So this is in Malayalam. Kundurka. Kundurushka. Kundurushka. Resin of Boswellia serrata Brox B. Chennianaka. Kanyasara. Patini. Karigudha. Hingu. Kumari Swaras and make into pills. Rub the pill on with the following liquids and apply over the forehead in different conditions. Pravata Shirashila Tila Taila, Pitta Shirashila rub with ghee, Kafacha Shirashula coconut milk, Sarva Shiro Roga. So this is for Shirashula, Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, and external application. Karutha Vataka, available as Karutha Vataka. Okay, so may try. This is external application only, and depending on the dosha, we may change the Sahayogi Dravya. Ashtakshari Gutika. नागफेन हिमद्वन्द्वा जाजी हिंगुलमागधीः रामठाति विषायुक्ता समभाग विचूर्णिताः विश्वजीरक दुष्पर्श मुस्तादीप्यत्क धान्यकैः सिद्धे कषाये जम्बीर स्वरसे च विवर्धयेत् कुर्याच्च गुलिकां पश्चात् गुञ्जायाः संविता फलैः अष्टाक्षरी यं गुटिका गृहिणी रोगिणां हिता तथार्षस्य अतिसारे च दध्ना वा माक्षिकेण वा पञ्चकृत्व प्रयुञ्जित बलेन अत्यनलस्य तु Karutha Vataka. So let us try to get this. Nagafena, Hipena, Himadvandva, Shita and Rakta Chandana, Ajaji, Gul. Agadi Pippali Ramata Hingo Ativisha, Yukta is Rasna. Found with Vishwa Kashaya, Jiraka Kashaya, Duhas Dusparsha. Then Vyasa Kashaya, Musta Kashaya, Deepyaka Kashaya, Dhanyaka Kashaya, Jambira Silas. Make into pills of size of 1 gunja each. Advance interview with Dathi or Makshika up to 5 times a day according to Agnivala. But Panchakrutva is giving 5 bhavanas or something like that. Maybe bhavana dravyas are 7, really speaking. Grahani Arshas Atisar. So let us see the Vishwa Jiraka Dusparsha Musta Deepyaka Nahadhanyaka hi Siddhe Kashaya Jambira Swarase Vimarde. So this seems to be one kvatha. They have separated each dravya. कुर्याच्च गुलितां पश्चात् गुञ्जाया समिता फलैः अष्टाक्षरीयं गुटिका गृहिणी रोगिणान्विता तथार्षस्य अतिसारे च दध्ना वा माक्षिकेण वा पञ्चकृत्वः प्रयुञ्जीत बलेन अत्यनलस्य तु. So for Atyagni also this is good. Still this translation is not really clear. Internally with that Dathi or Makshika up to 5 times a day. It would be Panchashaha, not Panchakrutva. So I don't agree with this translation. There might be 5 bhavanas of all these dravyas. And he doesn't say anything about Atyagni. Up to times a day according to Agnibala. This is again strange. So, somebody should see the Malayalam part and try to get meaning. That will be better, I suppose. Dhanvantari Gutika. Tela Vishwa Bhaya Jati Bruhatyarye Chajirafam. Chinoshana च भूलिंगम रुद्राक्षम सृदारुच कर्पूरी करिवृद्धः गृहाभ्याम कर्पूरकरिगुहाभ्यां समं च मृगरेतसा निष्पिष्य जीरकक्वाते हिमाम्बसि च कल्पयेत्। गुलिका संमितामाशैः कषाय साधिते पुनः पनसच्छद भूनिम्ब जीरकैः साधु योजिता पाये श्वासनाशाय कासानां च निवृत्ते यक्ष्मणश्शान्ते हिक्ताच्छरद्योश्च विनिवृत्ते कफप्रसेकशान्त्यै च नाम्ना धन्वन्तरीमता गुलिकेयं विशेषा स्यात् मारुतस्यानुरोधिनी. So is this available Dhanvantari Gutika? एला विश्व अभया जाति चमेली बृहति आर्य किरात. Yes. So Dhanvantari Gutika is available. Okay. चीनोषण कक्कोल शीतलचिनी भूनिंब रुद्राक्ष सुरदारु कर्पूर करिगुध कडिवेण्णा मृगरेतस गंधमार्जल वीर्य one part each. One marsh and equal quantity and pounded with Jiraka Kashaya and Imamba Chandana Kashaya and administer internally with the decoction of Panasapatra Dunta Bhunimba and Jiraka. This is strange. Shwasa Kasa Yakshma Hikta Chardi Kafa Praseka Vatanulomaka. So may try to get this Gutika and try to use Agni Kumara Rasa. मृगवीर्य कसे मिळवत असते. There should have been some methods because if they are using it in medicine, then as there is a method of extraction of Makaravirya, the crocodile semen, and that is available on YouTube channel that I learned how to extract Makaravirya. But there might be some procedures like this. And Mruga used to be pet animal in ashramas. So nobody was hunting them in ashrama. So that might be possible. Marichogra Agnikumara Marichogra Kushnamustai Sarvairev Visham Samam Vishwacharaka Rasineva Vatika Raktikamata Amajware Pratamato Madhushunthyacha Pishtaya आर्द्रकस्य रसेनापि निर्गुण्याश्च कफज्वरे पीनसे च प्रतिष्ठाय आर्द्रकस्य वारिणा शोपेत दशमूलेन लवंगेन अग्निमान्द्यके दद्यात् गृहण्यां शुण्ठ्या च मुस्तकेनातिसारके सामे च धान्यशुण्ठिभ्यां पक्वे सुकुटजं मधु सन्धिपातज्वरं भे विप्पल्यार्द्रकवारिणा कंटकाररसे कासे श्वासे तैलबुडामि. वाघाला समोर ठेवून भीतीने स्खलित होते ते कलेक्ट करतात असे वाचले. But then this is really troublesome because this is coming out of fear and not out of pleasure. पीत्वावटी द्वयं रोगी स्वास्थ्यं सम्पगच्छति. सर्वेषामेव रोगाणाम् आमदोष प्रशान्ते अग्निवर्धकरो नाम्ना विख्यातो द्विकुमारकः. So there are various Noicha Ugra Vacha Kushta Musta Dukta Vatsanadi equal to all above. And about rust returns quantity and founded Ardhagasvaras. Amadosha Nashaka Agni Deepaka. Actually, in Parashruti, there is quite in Kafajvara, Amajvara, Madhushuntia, Shuntyacha Pishtaya, Ardhagasvarasena, Nirgundasha Kafajvara. Pinasecha Pratishaya, let us see whether he has translated it later. Amajvara administration of 2 fields of Agnikumara Rasa internally with Madhu, Shunti and Ardhagasvarasa. This is Amajvara, Kafajvara, Nirgundisvarasa. Penis and Pratishaya with Ardhakasvarasa. Shotha with Dashamula Kashaya. Agnimandya with Lavanga Kashaya. Grahani with Shunti Kashaya. Pakwatisar with Madhuyukta Kutaja Kashaya. Sannipata with Vipali Kashaya in the early stage. Tasa with Kantakari Swarasa. Shwasa with Tilayukta Gudar. So Agni Kumar is available, maybe from Baidyanath, but is the same part or some different path? ABS. Okay. So there are varieties of Anupana, same part. Okay. Particularly Amajvara, Kafajvara, this is a better choice. Dinasa, Shotha, Agnimandya, Grahani, Pakvati Sar, Sannipata Jvara. So even in COVID-19 situation, maybe of help. Jvara, Kapha Pradhana Jvara Avastha. Sutika, Sutikanta, Sutikantaka Nashini, Gutika. Sutikantaka Nashini. Kasangandam Mrtabrancha Mrtatamram Chatutsakam. Shurunitam Mardet Tattu Bhaikaparni Rasenacha. Chaya Shushka Guti Karya Kalaya Sadrishi Tatha. Matraya Katruna Deya Sutikantakanta Nashani. Sutikantaka, okay. Nashini. Sutikantaka is not Kantaka, is Sutikantaka Nashini. Jara Trushna Ruchi Hara Shofagni Vandidipani. So may be used in Sutika Vikara, Prasuti Vata. Sutikantaka Nashini. Gutika. Is this available? Rasa Gandha Maricha Mrutabra Mrutatamra Tutsaka Bhaikaparni. Bhaikaparni Swarasa Mandukaparni. Okay, Bheka is one paryaya for Manduka. And then administered internally with Katu Maricha. Jvara Tushna Aruchi Shotha Sutika Roga Agni Deepaka. Sutikamaya Nashini. Asatalam Gandhalavham Pratyekam Karshanathakam. Karshadvayan Tatha Chabram Karpuram Mangatamrakam. Jatifalam Tatha Kosham Goksharam Shatavari. Balati Balayor Moolam Pratyekam Sartha Nishkakam. Varina Vattika Karya Vidunja Balavanataha. सन्धिपातं निहन्त्याशु स्त्रीणां चैव विशेषतः गर्भिण्या ज्वरदाहं च प्रदरं सूतिकामयम्. So this is useful in both Garbhini and Sutika. रसतालम रस तालक गंधक लोह वन कर्ष each and अभ्रक कर्पूर वंक ताम्र कर्ष each. So tamra is also in much quantity. Prepares जातिफल चपत्री जायपत्री गोक्षुर शतावरी बला अतिबला. Prepare pills in the size of 2 unsa and with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity and pounded with water. Sandipata Jwara, especially for Garbhini suffering from Jwara, Daha, Udara and Sutika Roga. So Garbhini and Sutika are different avasthas. Garbhinya Jwara Dahamcha, Pradaram Sutika Maya. The Sutika Maya also it conquers. This is a great. So, may think of this. Is it available? Sutika Maya Antakarasa? बहुमूत्र नाष्ट बहुमूत्रं तक बहुमूत्रांतक रस रसस्य शाल्वली चूर्णम कदली मूलजम चूर्णम रसस्य शाल्वली मूल चूर्णम कदली मूलजम औदुंबरी बीज चूर्णम लौहम वन्नम च विद्रुमम मुक्तायफेन सारं च प्रत्येकं संभाव्यं मर्दय मातली पुष्पेन कुशलो मातली पुष्प रसेन कुशलो दुष रक्तिद्वयमितां कुर्यात् वटिकाम् अतिशोभनाम् बहुमूत्रान्तको नाम रसः सर्वदुर्लभः मुद्वेहं सोमरोगं हन्ति भास्मान् यथा तमः. So बहुमूत्रान्तक रस रस शाल्मली मूल चूर्ण कदली मूल चूर्ण औदुंबर बीज चूर्ण बीज लोह भस्म वंग भस्म ताम्र भस्म वैडूर्य भस्म ताम्र लोहम वंगं च विद्रुमम् Mukta Bhasma Aifena 1 part each. No. Prepare pills in the size of 2 Banza Bija and about just taken in equal quantity and pound with Matala Pushpa Swarasa Dadima. Madhumeha Somaroga. So Bahutrantaka might be useful in Bahutrata itself. So that might be associated with diabetes or that might be associated with some other disease. So if it reduces the swelling, that is a choice. Expels excess water from outside. Madhumeha Somaroga. Shlipadantaka Gutika. Vyoshamritam. Yavani cha Suto Nirgandakam Shila Saubhagyam Jayapadancha Churnam Ekatra Karaye. Branga Kokshura Jambira Ardrata Toyer Vimardaye. अस्य रक्तद्वयं खादेत् उष्णतोयानुपानतः श्लीपदं दुस्तरं हन्ति पिलिहानं हन्ति सेवितः. Is this available? Sripadantaka Kutika. Vyoshatrikutu Amrutam is Vatsanabhi Yavani Sutaparada Agni Chitraka Gandhaka Shila Manashila Saubhagya Tankan Jaifar Jaipal, sorry, not Jaifar. One part each. About the garden founded with separately with Brungaraja, Bokshura, Jambira, and Ardhakasvarasa. Brunga Bokshura, Jambira, Ardhakatoye, remember. Okay. So Shlipada and Pliha. Now the medicines for Shlipada are being used for varicose veins, Nityananda Ras particularly. And maybe there are cases of Pliha Buddhi that we try to use this, but this is not available, no? So Brungaraja, Gokshura, Jambira and Ardhakasvarasa. Amavatari Rasa. Raso Gandha Vara Hingur Vara Vandari Guru Kramavartita. Etad Erenda Tailena Slakshna Shurnena Peshe. Karshosya Erenda Tailena Hantushna Jalapayina. Amavatam Atyogam Dugdha Mugdadi Varle. Mutgadi Varle. So Parada Gandhaka Trifala Chitra Gupulu in increasing quantity. Erenda Tailena Slakshna Churnam Prapeshe. So with Erenda Taila this is to be founded. And Karshasya Erenda Tailena Hantushna Jalapayina. So it is to be administered with castor oil and hot water to be given. Amavatam Ativogram Dugdham Mugdadi Varle. So it conquers the Atighora Amavata and one has to avoid Dugdha, Mugdha, etc. I had heard from Robert Swoboda. Actually, he conducted a survey study. He was receiving some scholarship from US. He was my classmate. So he conducted a survey study from different Vaidyas across India. And nobody responded him properly, really speaking. That was his favorite part. But there was one Vaidya from Kashmir, and surprisingly, he was having some good medicine for Amavata. Why Dudha and Mudra to be avoided? So, if these are producing Ama, then that is to be avoided or something like that. And he was giving some medicine for Amavata, severe conditions, and was asking to have 1 kg of butter with that every day. It was so Ushnavirya that he said, if you don't take this butter along with that medicine, then there will be severe burning in the body. And within 2-3 days, the Amvata patient would get relieved from pain and throat and everything. So this is rather strange, but I have heard this from him. And there can be medicines like this which are very Ushnavirya, and unless and until you counteract with something, then it is not possible. I tend to keep the patients only on Mudgayusha or if they tolerate then Kulathayusha and Saptamushtikayusha. These are better choices. But might be here that it would be increasing armor, and so दुग्धमुग्धा मुद्गादि वर्जे. Rasa 1 part, Gandhaka 2 part, Vara Trifara 3 part, Vandhi Chitra 4 part, and Gokulu 5 part. One Karsha. Severe Amavata. Combination seems to be useful in Kapapradhana Amavata, so Mudga usually useful. No, they have said Adi also. So Duddha and Mudga, generally Mudga is not contraindicated anywhere, unless and until there is severe armor. And one can't use anything else. Then this is a choice or something like that. And there are cases of severe Amavata, there is no doubt. Generally, I use Kanji Dhara in these patients and it works. But internal medicine, Kulatha Yusha and other one was which used Saptamushtika Yusha. So this is again in Yogaratnakara, Saptamushtika Yusha. So it contains Yava, Badara, etc. Kulatha. So that we have used, and that also fetches good results. But maybe this Vatika Amavatari Rasa may be used, and in this scenario. Sharandhar. Okay. Oh, yes, it's not in Yogarataka but in Sharandhar. This Kulatha Yusha or Saptamushtika Yusha. Dashanga Gutika. Vachahidam Hindu Vidangani Sandavang Gajapipali, Patha Kati Visha Vyosham Kashpin Vijavitam. Dashanga Madaga Agadam Pitva Sarva Kita Vishan Jay. So whether this is available, Dashanga Gutika? Saptamushtika Yusha is Sharandhar. Yeah. Vachahingu Vidanga Sandava Gajapipali, Patha Visha Vyosha. Okay. This is particularly for Kita Visha. So may try to find. Vardhamana Gudashunti can be used in such cases, sir. I have not used Vardhamana Gudashunti and see whether there is Padashukti. In the Padashukti there is Amva. Vardhaman Gudashunti. I have used in Pratishaya, Shotha, and individual also, but not for this particular disease. दशांग अगद म्हणून वाग्भटात मध्ये आहे हा पाठ. दशांग अगद. Okay. Is it available दशांग अगद? दशांग लेखचा पाठ वेगळा आहे. एला मावसी निशा युग्म. सेम पाठ वाग्भट उत्तर स्थानात 33 आहे. ओके. 37 आहे. Yes, available आहे. So Dashanga Agada, it is by the name Dashanga Agada. SNA Pharmacy. Drugs taken in equal quantity and pounded with Erenda Taila. Pita Visha. Maharishi Kashyapa formulated Kashyapa formulated this Dashangulika. Dashangangulika. Okay. Maybe this can be used for Dupana as well. Mhm. So Monochorica, this SNA medicines are available. कीटविष वात कफ प्रधान असते त्यामुळे सगळे उष्ण तीक्ष्ण औषधे आहेत या हा हा कश्यपेन विनिर्मित What happened? कोडासरी गुटिका कोडासरी ऑर्डर प्रमाणे मागवतात काही रेअर मेडिसिन्स असतात SNA ची ओके सो एनीवे I want to get this catalog prepared of varieties of companies and varieties of medicines formulations and other things okay समांशं मागधिर नाभिर द्वयस्तुल्यञ्च इङ्गुलं कोडाशारिरयं इयं नाम्ना जम्बीररसमर्दिता पापज्वरं च तरुणं सन्निपातं विनाशयति कोडासरी It is कोडासरी मागधी नाभि is वत्सनाभि इंगुल तापज्वर तरुणज्वर सन्निपातज्वर so कोडासरी is singular समांशं मागधिर नाभि द्वयस्तुल्यञ्च इंगुलम इंगुल is there कोडाशारिरेयं नाम्ना जम्बीररसमर्दिता Kodashari, what is the meaning of Kodashari? So maybe we'll have to look into meaning. कंठशुद्धि गुटिका सुवर्णं रजतं मुत्तुं रुद्राक्षं विद्रुमं तथा निर्वशिद्वयं नल्लु वयं पुनः सहस्रतित्री व्योषं किर्यात् तयुं गोरोचनं हरिद्रा च वर्याटिन्टे शृङ्गवुं दिप्यङ्कडामृगं मुग्गुतुल्यं च घट्टये विश्वनाथ यामे यामे तथा योज्यं वीर्यं सर्वजार्थिते कंठशुद्धिरिदं नाम्ना सर्वरोगविनाशनम् सुवर्ण रजत मुत्तु मुक्ता रुद्र क्षयम रुद्राक्षम रुद्रक्षयम विद्रुम प्रवाद निर्विषद्वयम white and blue varieties of delphinium denudatum wall garudadvayam सहस्र वेदी हिंगू जातिफर जयपत्री व्योष त्रिकटु किर्यत किराततिक्त आरत रासना वलुषण वलूषण चिनोषण मधु मधुगवम यष्टि कोट्टम पुष्ठ मयक्का मायफळ ऊतियम पुटवृक्ष पलाश अक्किकरव आकार करव वचा बोळ सन्निनायक गोरोचन हरिद्रा अजशृंग भस्म दीप्यम यवानी महिषशृंग भस्म अरे बाप मृगशृंग भस्म 1 part each. Prepare pills with the above drugs taken in equal quantity and formed with nari, kshir, breast milk and administered internally at regular intervals of every 3 hours. Sarvaruja Ardita Sarvarog. So some typical part one may say. Any site where all Ayurvedic preparations are compiled and displayed of all Ayurvedic company. I think somebody posted that it is available on some site. So do you remember who posted this? Because there are varieties of medicines available and now in Maharashtra many medicines are available. Even in Pune many medicines are available. So we just want to understand them and then put them into practice. That is a better option. Does anybody know any site about this? Yes, on JSVC posted. It's on JSVC posted. Niroga Street, I guess, but medicine is not available time. Yeah, Niroga Street. That's what the thing. Sarvaroga means all roga. Niroga Ayurveda. No, all diseases, not Sarvanga Gatavata, but all diseases. And in many Falashrutis, this is found. Sarva Bhavatakimuktena Sarvaroga Vinashini. In Arogyavartini. This is the Falashruti or something like that. So when there is a peculiar combination to be used in a specific condition, and if that condition prevails in any disease, then it can conquer all diseases. That is the so Niroga Ayurveda that we try to find, and what happens, we keep on reading and forget what has been read before. Especially that is happening with me. And unless and until we come across patients and we start using them, it is very कंठशुद्धी गुटिका या नावावरून अशी फलश्रुती असेल असा अंदाज येत नाही. Yeah, that is possible. For sore throat, there are many medicines, and proprietary medicines with Kankola, Yashtivadu, these are the main ingredients. But maybe we try to use in oral cancers, that is also possible. Kanta Shuddhi Gutika, if it is available. So let us try this kind of medicines that are available. And the supply is very irregular, and then by the time you get it, it's too late, and that the condition of the person is gone. But not all medicines are compiled on the roga, but frequently used. कंठ प्राणायतना पण आहे अष्ट अशार्थाने आले असे. Galame, there are falashrutis of Galame. This Patha Kastumbari Adi Yog, that is in Jvara, and Galamayam, and I have used it. Consultor used it, and Vikrant has prepared it. So Madhu Hingu, but this is Avaleha with Madhu and Hingu, and that works fine, particularly in tonsillitis. That I have used that. And Kantha is Pranayatana, no doubt. So the Kantha rogas particularly may be treated with this. Mruta Sanjeevani Gutika. Yashti Chandana Rudraksham Mrugashundam Vachanjanam Aklari Jivaka Truti Rochana China Tishnavum Karpuram Datipatrancha Datika Purushashundavum Krishna Sarasya Shundam Shagoshundam Kundi Vidrumam Mattam Paliyade Kanna Rukyam Swarnam Palatrayam. Tatya Kustumbaradi. Oh, it's not. Yeah, Tatya Kustumbaradi. I said something different. Anyway, Galarog and Kantharog in Padashati, how to make use of such kalpas. Galakapola alone to be taken. Patya Kustumbari Musta Shunki Katruna Parpatam, Sakatpala Vacha Vangi Devamma Matu Kapavata Jorashtiva Kukshirit Parshva Vedanaha, Kantamayasa Shvetu, Kasa Shwasan Niechati. So this was one of the favorite part of our Fansar Parisar, and used successfully in few cases with Pastya Kustumbarad. It's not available outside. Yashtitanana Rudraksham Mrugashundam Vachanjanam Kanuruptam Swarnam Palatrayam Kashayak Kashayakkal Trikatapam Pasturi Samamokkave Shankani Krishna Jirancha Ambarum Dvigunaushamai Monagam Ashtabhagam Cha Nadi Kshirena Peshe Treyodash Vidhan Sanni Apasmaran Manobramam Vishan Sarvan Jayat Tesha Amrita Sanjeevani Vati. Mahadevan sir used this in COVID-19. Okay, but it is available. Tatya Kustumbaradi by any pharmacy. Yashti Chandana Rudraksha Mrugashrunga Vacha Anjana Rasanjana. Anjana generally Savira Anjana taken. Arka Raga. जीरक तृतीयेला रोचना गोरोचना चिनाटी नवम शीतलचिनी कर्पूर जायपत्री जातीफल वृषशृंग कृष्ण सरस्य शृंग कृष्णसारस्य शृंग Krishnasara might be a variety of deer. Krishnamruga Shringa, yeah. Goshringa, Kunni, Gunja, Vidrama, Muktum, Mukta, Mayura Pinchan Netra, Morpankha aसेल. रौप्य स्वर्ण फलत्रय स्वर्ण गैरिक त्रिकटकम कस्तुरी 1 part each. शंखिनी कृष्णाची रथ अंबरू 2 parts each. Bhunaga earthworms 1/8 part to the total. So this is very strange. Earthworm. Prepare pits with the above drugs taken in the specified container pounded with narik cheera, breast milk. Thirteen types of Sandipata Jara, Apasmara, Manovibhrama, Vishavikar. So the Padashruti is quite wide and interesting. Vettumaran Gutika. So this is very famous and easily available. Tankana Maricha Nabi वत्सनाव जातिलिंग हिंगूळ अजमोला. त्या कुस्तिंबीर या पाठामध्ये कर्कटशृंगी ऍड करून वापरणे असा वाग्भट का असा अध्यायात आलाय. त्यामुळे मी सर शृंग्यादी म्हणून वापर करावा. ओके. प्रत्याकुस्तुमारादी म्हणून. कर्कटशृंगी will be appropriate in this. I have another Shrungyadi which is for Shwasa. I think it is from Yogaratnakara. Karkatshrundi is the main medicine. So then it is available with Jamadagni. By Shrungyadi Avaleha. In COVID-19, he has brought some other medicine that I heard. Does anybody know? I don't remember the name right now, but Rasamadhavati. And what is the part of that? Madhav Rasayan, Shrungyadi Yoga is from Vaishya Ratnavali. Madhav Rasayan. I don't know whether it is from his guru. Rasamadhavati. Anyway, Madhav Rasayan Rasamadhavati preparation of his guru. Yeah. But is this available in his drugstore? Available, sir. Okay. So let us see. Let us see the part actually. ही विश्वपंढरी कोल्हापूरची मिळते. ओके. त्यांचा पाठ काय आहे? उष्णद्रव्य आहेच. Anyway, we'll see what is available. So we conclude today and we meet on Monday anyway, but I'm not sure. Part disclose करत नाहीत बहुधा. And then decide. माका 50% यष्टी अपामार्ग पिपली कुमारी आहेत टेम्पलेट वेअर पाठवतो. ओके. 63 पहर पिंपरी कुटकी त्रिफळा माका अशी औषधं आहेत. फाईन. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्. विरम्यते व्याख्यान व्यापारः परश्वः.